Hey everyone, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Nicole.
And we're the founders of PACKT Collar Company. And we welcome you to come along with us as we visit our featured animal shelter, Save a Dog, out of Sudbury, Massachusetts.
It was really great to meet Donna and the Save a Dog team, along with a few special guests. We hope you enjoy our video.
And remember, we can all make a difference. So we're here with Donna, Director of Fundraising here at Save a Dog. We're looking forward to learning a little bit about this place. We have a few new puppies here from Texas, just in yesterday. It's a gorgeous day, a little hot out.
Just a little.
But I know you're just talking about how you just recently bought the place and how you've been here for a few years now. And can you explain just the history of Save a Dog?
Yep. We basically started in 1999, operating out of our director's basement. Then we found this property about 9.5 years ago. It was coming on the market for rent, and we came in and rented, and had a group come in and renovate what was falling down barn and turned it into a state-of-the-art kennel. And so we were here for about 8 years, and a year ago, December, we got the opportunity to purchase the property through a capital campaign fundraising that we did, and we're just so excited to be here permanently now, and we're starting to look at ways to improve and add on and upgrade our current situation.
That's progress.
Yeah, very, very excited.
Now, is there like a specific story, like rescue story
Well, I've been thinking about it because I've been here with Save a Dog for 12 years, and I'm sure there are many, many people who could tell you about some wonderful stories, including our trip down to Katrina. And we brought one dog back then. But a recent story that's near and dear to my heart is we got a few dogs in back in March, I want to say, from a hoarding situation. And they were, all you could see were the eyes. They were so matted. They were so just terrible, deplorable conditions. And 2 of them were poodles, which is my favorite. The one that came in, we heard that the shelter down in West Virginia wanted to euthanize the dog, and our director said, no, we'll take him. So I'm poodle queen here, so they asked me to come in and foster this little 4-pound poodle named Louie. And Louie needed to be neutered, and he needed attention. He had massive infection in his mouth, but he was only 4 pounds, and they couldn't put him under the anesthesia until he gained some weight. So we brought him home, started fostering him, and his little personality just came out. He started eating. He gained 1.25 pounds, so he had his neuter and he had his dental, and saw him online for him. She had been waiting 30 years to get a dog that she could have the time to take care of, and she had just retired. So she came down and met Louie and loved at first sight. So she not only saved his life, but he saved her life too.
Funny how that happens.
So yeah, and he is the most adorable and healthy dog right now. He is 10 years old and he only has 3 teeth left. Okay. But he's doing fantastic. So that's my Louie Bean story. People. A lot of us have turned into foster families. So we all have adopted from Save a Dog, 1 or 2. Or I've had 3 dogs at a time from Save a Dog. So it's just a labor of love. Absolute. People who can't have dogs for whatever reason, they're family allergic, they have an apartment, whatever. They come and volunteer so they can get their dog fixed. So they'll be an opener or a closer, or come in and do kennel work during the day. So, we have a great volunteer group. We also have a wonderful teen volunteer program. We just got a $5,000 grant awarded to us for our teen program, so it's great for kids who need to earn community service credits. They come in after school for a couple hours and work with the dogs, or they'll come in and help out on the weekends.
Oh, cool.
And it's great. It's great for them too. Some of them have even convinced their parents to let them foster.
Oh, that's cool.
So yeah, I think Skeeter actually just went into phone with 113 volunteers. So yeah.
You know, just for everybody that would be watching, like, how would they want to get involved, or who would they contact?
We have a fabulous website. It's just saveadog.org, and every dog is listed on the website with a picture and a description, and we update it constantly. There's online applications. We have events posted. We have pictures from some of our previous events. I'll pause in the park where we met you, and you can go on and fill out an online application, come into our meet and greet on Saturdays from 12 to 3, or we also do some Sundays from 1 to 3, and we do private events as well, so people can learn all about the dogs in our facility.